Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce around the market and look for something to do. Well, if you're watching the market at all last week, you saw the last couple days of the week, the market took a serious dive. You can see here this is S&P 500. And you can see it took a pretty sharp drop. Volatility spiked during this time. But if we look over here, at least for the S&P 500, the volatility is still at only 24. So it took a huge drop in the market, but for some reason the volatility, at least in the S&P 500, didn't spike too much. But if we go to the Russell, different story. We can see this took a small dive compared to the S&P 500, but volatility spiked a lot higher. This is up at 58. But really the big one last week, if you were watching, was the NASDAQ, right here, the QQQ. You can see right here, this took a big drop, and it's getting kind of near its most recent lows. But look at this, the volatility has had a huge spike. We're way up here at 82. But you can see over the past roughly 6 months is as high as it's been. So if we're going to look to make a trade in a high volatility underlying, the Q seems like the best one to do. As a contrarian, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bet that we're kind of nearing the bottom of this last big move, and I'm going to make a bet that from here on in the stock is hopefully going to, like, let's say, level off or go up over the next 45 days. That's the bet I'm making because I'm a contrarian. I go kind of against the market. When things drop huge amounts, I'm going to bet it's kind of at its low point and it's going to turn around. If they shoot way up, I do the opposite. I'm betting it's going to kind of level off and head down from there. If you're not a contrarian or if you're a trend trader, you do the opposite, obviously. But that's why I'm going to make this trade. So I'm going to do a real simple trade. All I'm going to do is make a nice small bet that from here on, the QQQ, because it's got such high volatility, is going to turn around and go up from here. So if we go to the trade page, I'm going to go over here to the 46 days, which will be 45 days tomorrow, which is perfect, right in our wheelhouse. Real easy. When you step up vertical, if I'm looking to bet the stock is going to go up with high volatility, I'm going to look to sell a vertical. So I'm going to look to sell a put vertical. And we always start by selling the strike price that's just below the stock price. So in this case, that's 346. So I'm going to look to sell a 346 vertical. And I'm going to make it a dollar wide, 346 and 345. And I'm looking to sell this for anywhere from 33 to 40 cents. So right now, this is perfect. So assuming nothing happens and the market opens up tomorrow, right here, we're going to sell the 346, 345 vertical. And if we're collecting 33 to 40 cents on this vertical, which is betting the stock is going to stabilize and go up from here, that fits all our rules, and that is our trade for tomorrow and why we're doing it, because of the high volatility. And as a contrarian, we're going to bet it's going to turn around from here. Hello everybody, and welcome to what I believe is an exciting opportunity. Now, many of you might be familiar with my classes up on Udemy, these 5 courses that I have on Udemy right now under the Option Trading for Rookies series. And my goal, if you follow along with what I'm teaching, is to really get you all up and trading as confidently and as quickly as possible, which is why I really believe this service I've created is the best way to get to the next level. Now, if you go to sharpertrades.com and you go to the courses page, you'll see these alerts pop up. And the Option Basic Trade Alert right here sends out 2 to 3 trades per week in real time. These are trades I'm actually making at the time I'm making them. And on top of that, they'll send you the alerts when I close these trades for the maximum profit potential, best return on that trade. Now, normally it's $49 a month, but I want to reward all of you who want to take advantage of this because you're taking my course. I feel like it's in your best interest and mine to get you kind of up and going as cheaply and quickly and confidently as possible. So go to Sharper Trades, go to courses, look up this alert, and then what happens is if you type in this code right here, basic option FB1, so when you click on this alert, it'll take you to a page where you can type in this coupon code. And for you lucky few that want to take advantage of it, I'm going to give it away for $1 for the first month, because that's how important I think it is to get up and trading as quickly as possible, or at least see somebody trading to see how it works. Now, as I said, it's only $1 for the first month. If you stick with it, it'll go to $49 a month, but you can cancel any time. So if you want to do it for a month just to see what it's all about, great. If you want to keep going, great. But again, this is to thank you for being such loyal and studious students, because like I said, at least for me, the best way to learn how to trade is to get up and trading with somebody that's trading in real time, which I am. So take advantage of this. Go to the Sharper Trades page, type in this coupon code, and go ahead and get this for only $1 for the first month and see what trading looks like in reality. And you'll get up in trading, I believe, quickly and confidently, much quicker than just trying to learn it through book smarts. So take care, and please continue on with this course. Thanks.